name is Chuck Suring, and I live in Los Angeles, California, and I'm making this video to tell the lady, Pakistani lady, Samira Khan, I'm telling you point blank that you try to stop defaming His Holiness Dalai Lama. You have said so many vulgar statements that you made, that His Holiness owns a slave and he uses human skin for some rituals, some blessings, all kind of shit you have spoken. And we all know that you are paid by Communist Party of China. I want to tell you how precious His Holiness Dalai Lama for all the Tibetans and people around the world who follow Buddhism. Dalai Lama is a spiritual leader followed by billions of people all around the world. And I want to tell you, he's also a Nobel laureate. Do you know Nobel laureate? Nobel Peace Prize? If he owns a slave and he uses human skins for some blessings, some rituals, why he would be a Nobel laureate? How do you think he will get a Nobel Peace Prize? Are people around the world are crazy? Other than the CCP? Think about it. Think about it. Use your common sense. You're a human being, right? I have a lot of Pakistani friends in Los Angeles. I own two shipping company offices. Los Angeles, New Jersey. I do a lot of business from Pakistan, you know, and I have very good relation with a lot of Pakistanis. And I've never heard them saying anything about, you know, the Buddhism or, you know, any other matters. And leave alone for His Holiness Dalai Lama. They do believe him. They respect him. In a sense, they respect as a spiritual leader of different faith. And I'm not following you. Why you are such a crap, you know, making a statement on Twitter saying that Dalai Lama owns a slave and, you know, he uses human skins for some rituals in Buddhism, that kind of shit stuff. So I'm telling you today, okay, today, you apologize to all the Tibetans because you have heard their sentiments, and also the followers of Buddhism all around the world, including China, okay? There are CCP people who also follow Buddhism, so they're also included. So you have to apologize unequivocally to all the Tibetans and followers of Buddhism. Thank you.